Foshan Shunde Chenjiaxin Furniture Company Limited has been deeply involved in wedding furniture manufacturing, focusing on metal wedding furniture producing and customization, located at Foshan City. Over 50 molds of beautiful legs and head design explored under cooperation with our customers, producing various hot designs ahead of market trend, therefore, to power our customers' sale ahead. 3 designer sketch design by only photo or an idea from customers in maximum 36 hours. Production team can afford maximum 10,000 chairs per month. Maximum 1,000 chairs material can be ready in 1 day by laser machine. At the same time, 17 workers at metal department are able to finished chair frame, always on time of order schedule. Every of them are professional and stay here all the time. Daily producing in our factory is banquet chairs, Chiavari chairs, Napoleon chairs, and various designs of shiny gold wedding chairs. Our main markets cover Southeast Asia, Asia, and North and South America. The sales team has 15 years experience and well aware of assisting order suggestion and payment instruction and communication during production and reliable shipping service with no hidden cost and delay. We are well aware of the purchasing habits and preferences of customers, providing them with the most suitable products. Our product positioning is to specialize in quality and cost-effective iron wedding dining chairs.
Chenjiaxin Furniture is a real factory specialized at customization of chairs and tables for the banquet, wedding, and event. We have 3 designers and automatic machine to comply the design requests and fast production capacity. We're welcome for your contact.